I will continue. This will just take a few minutes, and I apologize, but these videos only give me 15 minutes. And that's why I say before I was running out of time. But this is very important. I was talking to you guys about the difference between quizzes and the exam. Quizzes, because this is an asynchronous course, you can click on them. You can um, work on them for the whole week. You can do 2 weeks a day, I mean, 2 questions a day. Use the book to answer the questions and make sure you get those questions correct as long as they're submitted by Saturday before 11:59 p.m. Exams are a little bit different, and once you click them open, and it will actually give you the instructions. Plus, I will be emailing you every Sunday, updating you on what's going on, giving you information. I also take Sundays because they're the beginning of the week. I take an opportunity to go over the material. I will let you know what you are learning, and also I like to communicate with you. It's like at any point, if you guys have a question, let's say you answer a question on an exam, asking a question on a quiz, and it's not clear to you why you got it wrong, please don't hesitate to email me. That's what I'm here to clarify any questions. And it may be that you are right, and the answer, because of the way this is set up, it doesn't happen that often, but I have had for other students where somehow the correct answer, the, the thing has shifted and it has chosen a wrong answer for a correct answer. So you strongly believe that you're right and it's showing the answer to be as a wrong answer, please shoot me an email and I will fix that. But as I was saying, exams are a little bit different. Exams, you can actually work on your exams any day of the week within the, but once you click on that exam, it only gives you 90 minutes to complete it. That means, and it has 50 questions. And please remember, this is a science course, so those questions are comprehensive. So you will not have the time to look for the answer to every single question. So what I recommend you do is that you study for these exams like if you were studying for an exam that you're going to go ahead and take on a face-to-face class. The only difference and advantage is that if you may have time to read, I mean, if you forget one or two or three things, you will have time to go really quick to the book and or PowerPoint presentation and get the information and answer the question correct. But you will not have time to answer all 50 questions. Trust me, students have tried it and they have found the harsh way that, you know, it's not enough time. So that is actually all the information for this course. Um, and everything you guys need to do and work on in order to be successful. This is not a hard course, it's an easy course, and I have worked really hard to design it so that you guys have a good, positive experience. But you learn because the important thing is that you learn biology, and so we use biology every day in our life. So I think it's a very good idea to always use this knowledge or have this knowledge because you will get to use it at some point or another as you go on to life. So, like I said, email, and it says it on my syllabus, is the best way to communicate with me. Do not hesitate to email me for any questions, any doubts, and let's have a fun semester. So we'll be chatting or emailing or whatever. So thank you for listening and welcome to Biological Sciences.